July 2nd. I am just leaving the gym and I want to get some coffee. And I found this new coffee concoction, like a keto coffee thing I wanted to try. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. Today is also going to be a what I eat in a day video, but I think I'm going to do a separate coffee video. I'm going to include the coffee in the what I eat in a day, but I'm going to make a separate video for the coffee. So if you hear me talking like this is just a coffee video, that's why. Anyway, yeah, so the coffee drink that I'm going to try today, it's cold brew. It's going to be a cold brew with no ice, and we're going to make a cold foam out of heavy whipping cream and water. I'm hoping they can make it, because sometimes they be tripping. If they can't make it, I'll probably just have a regular cold brew, just a regular cold brew, I guess, with some heavy whipping cream, whatever. But I really want to try the cold foam, see if they can make the cold foam, because I really be wanting cold foam, but I can't. They usually put sugar in their cold foam, so I'm hoping like they can make it with the heavy whipping cream and the water. I got this from an actual Starbucks barista, so I'm pretty sure they can do it. So let's see if they can do it. But yeah, today's gonna be a what I eat in a day. I don't really have a whole lot of food prepped, so I'm probably gonna be eating out for like lunch and dinner, because we're about to move. We don't have a whole lot of food in the house, so I'm probably gonna be eating out. So you guys are gonna see what I eat in a day when I'm like out and about, don't have food cooked or whatever. So like a fast food, but still keto, what I eat in a day. Can I get a grande cold brew with no ice? But can I get cold foam on the top? But can you make the cold foam out of heavy whipping cream mixed with a little bit of water instead of the regular way?
Okay.
Is that? Oh, can I get a couple shots of sugar-free cinnamon dolce in the coffee as well?
Okay. What else?
That's it.
All right. So we $4.47.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, this is the drink here. Thumbnail. No, seriously, I need a thumbnail. Hold up. So here's the drink here. It looks so pretty. You got the foam. So one thing off the bat is the cold foam at the top, of course, is not sweet at all. Now, if you want it sweet, you probably could ask them to put a couple of shots of the cinnamon, the sugar-free syrup with the cold foam. But I had them put a couple shots in the actual coffee. So, and that's sweet enough for me. Now, next time I'll probably ask them for more, because they only put two pumps. It's like a hint of sweetness, which I don't really mind it. But if you want it like kind of sweet, I probably would double it, put like 4. This is a grande, so I probably next time I'm going to ask for like 3, maybe 4 shots of cinnamon-free, sugar-free cinnamon dolce. But other than that, y'all, this is really good. This was only about $4 and some change. The lady who took my order, when I got to the front, she was like, "Are you doing the keto diet?" I'm like, "Yeah, girl, I've been keto for 3 years." She said, "Oh yeah, I want to start. I'm thinking about starting next week." I'm like, "Girl, just do it." I was gonna tell her like follow me on Instagram and stuff, but there was a lot of people behind me. I didn't want to, be that person. But hey, girl, if you're watching this, girl, go ahead, live your best life and do the keto diet, girl. I've been keto for 3 years. And she was like, when I told her I was keto for 3 years, she was like, "Oh my God," like, because a lot of people think you can't be keto long term. You definitely can be keto long term. It does not have to be just a couple months. You can live your life, be a sugar-free, grain-free for your whole life. But anyways, y'all, this is gonna be my new jam. Okay, new jam. So I'm about to go home, shower, have breakfast, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. So I'm out the shower, no makeup on, but whatever. About to eat breakfast. So lately I have been eating Magic Spoon, which is a low-carb, keto-friendly cereal. And when I tell you guys, this cereal is so good. It tastes just like your favorite childhood cereal, but only 3 carbs per serving. With only 3 carbs per serving, you could definitely fit it into any type of low carb keto diet. So I have been eating this for the last couple of months. And then like a couple weeks ago, I actually reached out to the company to see if they would give me a discount code for my followers, and they did. So if you guys want to try, my discount code is DejaFitBeauty. You get free shipping with my discount. And when I tell you guys that, you will not regret it. If you are keto or low carb and you miss cereal, trust me, you'll thank me later. That's just about 1 serving of cereal, and I eat mine with sugar-free almond milk. Now you can use regular milk if you want, but I like to use unsweetened almond milk because it has the least amount of carbs. So good, you guys. It tastes just like some fruit from some Fruity Loops. Like, I swear, it's so good. All right, time for a little snack, and I'm just eating 1 serving of almonds and about 1.5 servings of some little cheese cubes. This is like one of my go-to snacks. Alright guys, so for dinner, me and my fiance, who's holding the camera right now, we're at a Mexican spot. So I ordered some lettuce tacos. They haven't come out yet, but I actually ordered a margarita, okay? So this is how you order a low-carb keto margarita. So you want to order a skinny margarita. Tell them to hold your agave. Make sure that the margarita isn't one of those pre-mixed margaritas. Make sure that it's made with fresh lime juice. In here I have some stevia, but you can actually use any sort of like sweetener. You can use packets like stevia packets or swerve packets or whatever sweetener you have on hand that's keto friendly. So I carry this in my purse for times like this. I'm just gonna add a couple little drops to the drink. Make some more. That should be enough. So now you have I'm not gonna say keto, I'm gonna say a low carb beverage because you really shouldn't be drinking too much alcohol on keto. But this should be okay, it won't mess up your diet too bad. Alright guys, my food is here. I have 3 lettuce tacos, I have a steak taco, I think this is the Cuban taco, and this is the gringo, which is ground beef. And for the side, I have a kale salad. It's a little bit of corn in there, but not enough to really make a big deal. And you see my fiance over here eating good. Got a, what do you have?
Brisket chimichanga.
Chimichanga, ricey, and potato chips. So, yeah. But I'm still being keto over here. So I left my camera at home. That's why I'm on my phone, but that is pretty much going to conclude today's video. I hope I'm looking at the camera. I don't know where I'm looking right now, but this concludes today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day type of, you know, regular, normal what I eat in a day. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Try. 48. Good job. Keep it up. All right, let's keep that intensity, ladies. Try. 50. Woo. All right. That was a good warm-up. Now it's time for the real workout. She doesn't know what's about to happen, but she's about to find out. Good job. Good. All right, you're going to give me one more, and then we're about to crank it up a bit. All right. Down. Good. Give me 2 more. 1 and 2. Good job. Awesome. You got this. Now I have to get you a 50 chop shirt. Hold up. Girl, you know that's not keto. But some cheese, got some sour cream, got some steak in there for my protein. Yeah, there you go. Keto salad. So you can't outwork a bad diet, guys. So let's get it.